What's up, guys? First place in Manila. We're at Pastil Barbecue Pans. Gonna order some pastil and barbecue, I guess. Let's see, we'll get some 3 pork, 3 isaw, 2 skin. Pastil rice. It's just kind of like a meat gravy. Thank you. Now we wait on the barbecue. I got heart, neck, liver, stomach, gizzard, a little everything. We'll wait and see what it looks like. It tastes like a garlic chili, like beef, ground beef with garlic in it. It's really good. I should have got more. Maybe I'll order a few more of these. Really good. We'll be back with a barbecue. Wow. I think this is the heart. It just tastes like a meatball. Like a bola bola. It's good. I think this is patikolan, gizzard. Looks good. Oh yeah, that's gizzard. Very chewy. Which makes sense because this holds rocks for birds. Also, all good so far. Even the hot dog was good. It was sweet. I'm not used to sweet hot dogs, but it was delicious. I even got some more. I even got some more of the pastil rice because it was so good. Wow. All right, back to eating. Some skin. It just tastes like barbecue chicken skin. It's really nice. All this has been really good. And each stick is only 15 pesos, which is like a quarter. So I think much more. At Cebu it would be like maybe 2 or 3 times. And some things are cheap, like isaw is cheap, but barbecue might be 25 or 30. Skin might be 40 or 50. They're bigger though. I think this place is small, makes smaller portions. Like their isaw. Yeah, there's lots of students outside eating and stuff. Here's the stomach lining. A little chewy, but it's good. So good. Back to eating. I think this is neck. Lots of bones, you can see. Rib cage. Yeah. It's really tasty, actually. Mostly skin, a little bit of meat. Super good. I love when these are fried too. Fried neck, so good. That was so good. I'm kind of full, but not too full because I have to go to Rojas Market tonight. So let's look at the damage. Just some bones, sticks. Really good. Maybe some halo halo would be good after this. Let's see. That was super good. It was only $5 for like, I think we got 20 sticks. Let's see if I can get a sign. Hold on.
This one.
Ponce Pastil and Barbecue. See, they even got a nice dining area outside. Super good. Here at the corner of, kind of near Rojas Market, but all right, I'm gonna go check into my hotel, and this is a nice first stop. Bye. All right, I found some shaved milk ice. That looks good. Cocoa Express. It's only 30 pesos. Might as well. Hello, ma'am. Can I do the plain milk ice?
Yes.
Do you want one?
No.
No? Just one.
One only. The plain?
Plain, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Plain.
Guess let's wait and get some.
You need the background. Come on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mmm.
Good.
Actually tastes like coconut. Can you ask her if there's coconut? This is coconut milk. I think it's just like shaved bits of frozen milk, but for 30 pesos.
It's good. Wow.
9 out of 10.
Why?
Super good. It's so milky and sweet. I like it. I could eat like 5 of these, I think. And then they have it with
Why
strawberry.
only 9? The 1% is
The one extra point, probably if I put the syrup on it, it would be perfect. It's great.
good.